Alright, let's see if this will show up on camera. I don't know. I'm going to try it. And come on. Can't see anything. Trying to solder a needle to a circuit board. Jeez. Go figure. I don't know if it's even possible. I don't know if that's going to work. Still not enough. I don't want to get it too hot. But then again, it's got to be soldered on there better. I got enough flux on it, that's for sure. And we got the 100-watt setting on too. I don't want to go any hotter. Come on. Get in there. See if I can get it on. Come on. Oop. Ah. Okay. I'll leave it just like that. Oh, little stick. Wow. That is really murder trying to get that to work. Oh well. Phase 1. I just wanted to test this out, see if it worked. Bye for now. Be back later.